In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Grammarly to Excel 2025. Full tutorial. We'll keep this simple. First, we'll add Grammarly to your browser, and then we'll open Excel on the web so Grammarly can check your writing right inside your workbook. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Grammarly extension for Chrome and press Enter. You're looking for the result that takes you to the Chrome Web Store page for Grammarly. This is the official listing where you can safely install the extension. On the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see the Grammarly extension. If you haven't installed it yet, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. That's all it takes. If you've already added it, you're good to go. The extension runs in the background and brings Grammarly's writing suggestions to many sites you visit. Now, with the extension installed, go to office.com or directly to excel.office.com in this same browser. That same browser part really matters because the extension only works where it's installed. Once you're on Excel for the web, open an existing workbook or choose New Blank Workbook. Either will work for this setup. As your workbook loads, Grammarly will automatically look for text areas it can help with in Excel on the web. Keep in mind, Grammarly focuses on places where you type actual sentences or phrases, so it's most useful for things like descriptions, comments, task lists, or cells with longer notes rather than purely numeric data. Click into a cell and start typing some text. You'll notice a small Grammarly indicator appear near your typing. That button is your status signal. When it's green, Grammarly hasn't found anything to fix. When it's red, it's flagging potential corrections, like spelling, grammar, or clarity improvements. That's your sign the extension is connected and actively checking what you write in Excel on the web. If you don't see the indicator, a quick refresh can help. Also, make sure you're actually in Excel on the web, not the desktop app, and that Grammarly is enabled in your browser's extensions. Staying in the same browser where you installed Grammarly is key. And that's it. You searched for the Grammarly extension, installed it from the Chrome Web Store, opened Excel on the web, and confirmed Grammarly is attached by watching for the green or red indicator next to your text. Now you can keep your spreadsheet notes polished while you work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing smarter in Excel.